Hey tubers, it's Fix It with Biscuit here, and doing some welding as you can see. What I wanted to show you was not the welding. What I wanted to show you was this right here. This is called a neck fan, and I seen these online, or actually, didn't. Yeah, I did see it online, but I seen it on somebody's video, and it was the Beast. Uh, Eddie Hall. Dude's a monster. He had a pair of these at a lifting meet, and I was like, man, I need a pair of those. But not for what he wanted them for. I needed a pair of these for welding. Because this dang thing is always fogging up on me. Inside here, we all know that trick of you breathing hard, you're working hard, and it's fogging you can't see. And yeah, there's anti-fog spray, there's all that. Well, your face gets hot in those, smoke gets all over you. Well, check this out. You take these, it's got 3 modes, a low, a medium, and a high. And I mean, it blows some stuff. Watch it on the table here. I mean, that's all blowing pretty dang good. So you put them on your neck like this, position them where you want them, blow them right at your face, and if you take your hood and you put it on, you pull it down, they're blowing air up. I got them faced in to where they're triangling air like this, and they're blowing the smoke out of my face and they're keeping my shield unfogged. It is sweet. Get a pair. I got them off eBay for. I got 3 of them off eBay for. I think it was like $20. Definitely worth it. They have rechargeable batteries in them. They're charged by a regular phone charger. They're awesome. Just a tip for welders out there, or even to stay cool in the summer. Thanks, guys.